Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got something really exciting. I had a request to do a show comparing the Tecsun, the new Tecsun PL-320 with the older PL-330. And when I was doing my research to do that, I found this article on Radio J. Allen's website, which I've shown you many times before. He's given me permission to show you parts of his website. Be sure you go there. I will put a link to this article in the first comment below this video. And here it is. He did a comparison. There they are, 330, 320. Notice the display backlight is on here. It's one of the features. You can have the backlight on all the time on the 320. And of course you can get the 320 and other Tecsun radios from Anon-Co, which is where I got mine. They sent it to me for review. Here, whoops, changed pages on me. Here it is. It is now available for everyone to buy. $57.99. And this is the website right here. Okay, let's go back to his article quickly. I'm just going to briefly go through this. He gives you a detailed list of specifications and features. It does use a DSP chip, which means it mutes when it tunes. I hate that. Various FM bands you can select. Medium wave, there's 2 bands you can select depending on where you are in the world. Long wave, and then short wave has an extended range. You got direct tuning by the keypad. Got 650 memory locations for ATS and an ATM Plus function. Favorite station button. 2 alarms for your clock. Backlight, always on or auto shut off. I like that. And it uses the USB-C for charging. There's what you get. The radio, which it didn't show here. Earbuds and charging cord, and a nice soft carrying case or storage case. I noticed when I was going to go over the owner's manual, but the owner's manual is big. There's lots of details in it, so I'm not going to do that. That would take forever, especially how slow I am. There's just shows you the tuning knobs and the external connectors. There's inside. I mean, J. Allen Guri goes into detail when he does the review. He did a performance test, gives you the results of that, which is what people are looking for, and a conclusion. So check this out. Again, this is on Radio J. Allen's website. It's radiojallen.com, and this is just one of the many articles he has posted. I'll put a link to this particular article, which will also that'll get you to his website, and you can see other articles and reviews that he has done. Anyway, I want you to have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye. And thanks for J. Allen for allowing me to show you this. Bye-bye.